How to fix WhatsApp crash on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guide. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix if WhatsApp keeps crashing on your Android phone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, the WhatsApp application could be crashing on your Android device for multiple reasons, and the most likely reason could be that either the software is not compatible with the WhatsApp app or the app is not compatible with your version of software. So you just need to go ahead and then update both of those. Now, before we do that, I would also recommend you to long press on the WhatsApp app icon and then simply tap on this I button, which will take you to the app information page of WhatsApp. Once you go to the app info page of WhatsApp, just go to the one which says storage over here. As you tap on storage, I would recommend you to simply clear the cache, which means some of the temporary junk files which your phone and the app doesn't really need it. Do not go ahead and tap on clear data because that is going to delete all of your data off WhatsApp. Now, after you've done that, just go ahead and then open up your Play Store, and in the search box, you want to go ahead and then type in WhatsApp. As you type in WhatsApp, if you see an update button there right next to the WhatsApp application, I would recommend you to simply update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. What updating did is that it's going to fix most of the issues and bugs which you were facing on the previous version of the application. If that doesn't work for you, then what I would recommend you to do is to simply go ahead and then open up settings. Now, in order to fix the latter issue as to which our version of software is not compatible with the app, we have to simply update our operating system. In order to do that, scroll down to the bottom and select the option called Software Update. Just tap on the Software Update button and you can say Download and Install, select it. And if there is even a tiniest bit of update available for your phone, then I'll just recommend you to update your device's operating system as well to the latest version. And hopefully one of these would have definitely solved your problem. If it did help solve the problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.